Meaning of homes and gardens.
Homes and gardens.
Homes and gardens.
Homes and gardens.
Homes and gardens. Homes and Gardens is a term used to describe a category of lifestyle magazines that focus on home decor, gardening tips, and outdoor living. These magazines typically provide inspiration and advice for readers who are interested in interior design, landscaping, and creating a beautiful and functional living space. The content often includes articles about DIY projects, product reviews, and interviews with experts in the field. Overall, Homes and Gardens publications aim to help readers enhance their homes and outdoor spaces, and ultimately improve their quality of life.